Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today we are diving deep into XAUUSD, that's gold versus the US dollar. We'll be covering recent news and doing some technical analysis to determine what may happen. According to recent news from FXStreet, XAUUSD has reconquered the $3,400 level and is aiming for record highs, so let's investigate. The rise is contributed to risk-off market sentiment from political uncertainty in Germany. Furthermore, all eyes are on the Federal Reserve's monetary policy announcement. Let's take a look at the daily chart. Here we can see the price action over the past several months. We have a clear uptrend throughout the last year, but let's focus in on recent candles. Here's a look at the past few months. The most recent candle is showing a close at 33.34 after making a low near 32.40 earlier in the day. FXEmpire is reporting a breakout above $3,351 could lead to a push towards $3,500. The article mentions the dollar index declining, which is making gold more affordable for holders of other currencies. Now let's switch over to the 1-hour chart to get a closer look at intraday action. We can see some volatility, but generally prices moving upwards. Let's zoom in on the most recent trading day. We have a current resistance point around 3,337 and support around 32.40, so watch those levels closely. If we compare this to the daily chart is more bullish. Looking at the 15-minute chart, we can observe even shorter-term fluctuations. Given the upward trend on the daily chart and the news indicating potential bullish momentum, a short-term target of $3,351 seems likely. However, keep an eye on the Federal Reserve's announcement and any changes in geopolitical tensions, as these could trigger a reversal. If XAUUSD breaks above $3,351, a retest of the $3,500 level is a possibility. But if it fails to hold above $3,240, we may see a pullback towards lower support levels. That's all for today's episode of Explain the Charts. Thank you for watching. See you next time.